about how to create a sectional view in Revit, or what you can see if you cut a wall or section in Revit model. Okay, let's see. The thing is how to catch or how to get a sectional view. For that, you have to enter into the View tab. Under the View tab, you can see that there's optional tool called Section, but you can see that it's hidden here. To get that sectional view tool, I have to enter into a floor plan. Okay, I'll enter the ground plan. Okay, this is the view I'm using here. These are three sectional views which I have already created. Hide sectional views, and if there are any sectional view, you can see in the project browser under the sections. You can see that there are three sections here. I click on it. This is section 1. This is the section, and this is section 2. You can see that this is section 2. This is section 3. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to create a new section and how to make dimensions and other details on that sectional views. Okay, I'm selecting level 1. This is the floor plan I am selecting. Okay, I'll hide all the unnecessary things here. Okay, I'm going to create a sectional view into this direction. For that, I select that section 2. After I selected sectional view, you can see that I'm entering into modify tab. Okay, to create a section, just click on the place where it start, and you can see that it's creating. Okay, and see that under sections, now section 4 is here. This is the section 4 I have created. Okay, the section covered by this section is start from this line, and you can see that there's a dotted line. This is the section we can see under this section. Okay, let's see. This is the section we can see. Then I will tell how to edit the margins or how to edit the region which I can see under the section. Okay, if I reduce this section under up to this level, you can see that you cannot see that car object here. You can see that there is no car in this section. But if I edit the region up to this car, you can see the car in this sectional view. Okay, and this is a sectional view I have created, and I'm going to modify this. It means let's say you need to know how to edit the margins of this view. In my earlier videos, you can see that how to crop the view. Okay, you can see that I have cropped this view. If I am not cropping, there are no any margin here. You can see everything. If I crop this one, the margin get minimized, and we can see only these regions. If you need only this small thing or something, you can see that when I drag the margins, you can edit the view of this section. I will hide this. Like that, we can edit the depth by adjusting the arrows of that sectional view, and we can see the margins like this. And let's see, if you need to change the direction of the section, just click on that, and you can see that there are to arrows, then the section is created into this direction, this left direction. Let's see. You can see that there are no curve or something. The section direction is opposite to previous one. Okay. If you need to add any dimension or any other detail, you can do it like the general procedure of Revit. You can see that this is the way of adding dimensions. And if you need to change the view, it means you can see the realistic view like this, and you can see wireframe view like this, and also you can change these views too. Okay, this is the way of creating sectional view in Revit. If you have a question, put it in the comment section and I will give answers for each and every question you have. And to see more videos like this, please subscribe my channel and keep in touch with my channel Civil Engineering. Thank you.